No, I'm pretty early to the show. Your Valentine's update. Let's see what this is to give us. Love is burning so bright, set the forest ablaze. Try not to get signed by the return of the volcano. Volcano. Celebrate your Valentine with Cupid-themed cosmetics and other fiery fashion in the shop. A new stand has opened in the store. Refresh your wardrobe with a rotating selection of these. Let's go and see the cosmetics then. Oh, by the way, it was my audio that was not working. I tried to do this on like the second day of this, and my audio was like oh, I need to show you something. It's red. I can eat it. I know. I'm so happy. No, I'm not that rich. Oh, 8 hours until the new daily tea comes in. That's why every daily tea, it's just my audio has not worked in ages. But I just tested it there and it's working now. So my mic's working. So hip hip hooray! And I got some cake. Here, I'll feed it to you. How can I eat it? I'm eating a cake backwards, but then it's cutting off it. How is that possible? Right, let's go. We can get better at this game by the minute, bro. Cosmetics, let's go. Holdables, let's do these holdables. They look free badge, new free badge, and just 2 or 3 things up there. Let's try some of the stuff on. Oh, some of the holdables we can wait on these. Okay. I'm here. Ready? I must steal your guys' heart. Oh no, I might steal my heart. I'm okay. Just a fake heart, don't worry. Nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom! Let me eat it. Pepper. Mmm. Fine, I'm fine. I'm okay. I am the king. Bow down! I'm a pretty princess. It's a fake arrow, don't worry. Oh look, my sunglasses bubble with it. Fire. My hands! Don't worry. Wee wah. The new weapon. Choose your weapon. Love heart staff. Give me a kiss. Kill little badge. Nice and non-violent. What's new, guy? Kick it down. Still got my cake. Now let's test out the tops. Obviously, this is cake that I'm holding for free. I have the cake. I have the phone. Now I have the princess phone. now time to try the volcano. I'm not excited. Not excited. Not excited at all. Oh! Dr. Bug's new friend! Names in the comments! I know that Mattbat has also a new friend, so names in the comments for Matt's new friend and Dog's new friend. Wow, you feel this so much easier. They made it an advantage in infection that you can't. Yes, I can do this. I can heal. No! You're lucky I even got that. Hey, look! Wish the lava went higher. Does anybody else wish that? I am so down with sorry. Keep seeing them shorts, you know. Now, play a couple games of infection, you know. I'm always in the comp cube now, but like, that doesn't really matter. It's my diving board. No, a bird! There we go. I'll put it on a casual game of infection. Look, cause look guys. Right, my queue's on default, but look, option 3, competitive. Put it on default though. Even though they've probably filled up the lava. Where's Lava Monkey? Oh, I'm still in casual. Sorry guys. It will work now. Yep.
Look behind you. Behind you. Bird in the eye. Spawn. See that dog?
I met like the nicest kid ever yesterday.
Oh, your side's clogged. Not even there anymore.
my
You
god,
think
that's
I can't
so much
make
fun.
particles?
Dumbo. We need to make so
You're
much
a British person, you
particles.
suck.
Lava
Bring your
monkey
teeth
family, go in the lava, we shall hunt. Maybe. Alright, I bet I can make it in the lava. I found one, I found one. There's one, guys. Bully me.
Fuck you.
Oh, imagine.
I'm so easy
Sorry.
the best player in this lobby.
Bro, fucking chargers fucking me up.
Search around. No.
No, boy.
Come back. Oh, that's not him.
I can't measure him yet.
Oh, wait, did I hit that
Yes.
part?
Lava's my biggest ball.
Your mom's single, right?
No,
Freedom.
he's not.
Hi, pal.
God, how I miss you.
Hiya, pal.
Lava monkey family. No.
I'm too good at routing, buddy.
I'm on your family.
You can't touch my balls. Make him fall down. Make him fall down in the lava.
How you gonna make me fall down? He's done.
The lava's not high enough.
Go. I'm gonna make you fall down. Alright, fall down. You gotta fall down. You gotta fall down
Wee.
right now, cause that's part of the game. You gotta fall down in the
Oh
game.
my god, it's lava.
1, 2, 3
If I win me
lava
$30,
monkeys
I wanna buy the
shall
pack.
hunt in the high ground. Monkey. It's a monkey.
As the locals call it.
Like I lose now. Guys, catch him.
Too fast for you, boy.
No, I'm bad at the game. He's in the lava! Catch him! No, he's climb up.
What are you doing?
Yes.
What the fuck just happened?
That is our chance! Yes!
Yes, the lava's down.
Lava monkey family! Oh no. Who is the lava monkey? Oh,
You are
you
mine.
lava.
Yes. Yes.
How do you
Rug,
lose here?
come here.
I don't know.
Rug.
Yeah.
Who is the lava monkey?
Man.
Lucio?
Hey, you stop! Don't attack anyone! Don't attack anyone! I said don't attack anyone! You
Come
can't
here.
be a lava teammate!
I do like a little
Chill, bro! Chill! Chill, bro! Okay. When? Or
Dog. You're a dog.
Yes! You're a dog.
Oh, you faggot.
What the?
Shut up, mate.
Daddy bought a
Shut up,
donkey.
mate.
No, mate.
Hey!
Hand out on me, pal.
I'm not good at starting games.
Where's the purple guy?
Oh boy! I'm myself a
Can't out on me, yellow. Can't out on me. Can't out on me, buddy. You are mine.
My delays are bad.
Excuses. That's excuses,
No, like
bro. Shut
actually,
up.
there's delays.
No, it's usually 1 or 8.
No, you're excuse. That's your excuse. There's no excuse for failure.
So like, actually, there's delay.
If you throw this thing.
There's no delay, bro.
No, like actually. For
There's
me, you
zero
see,
delay.
I'm just in front of you, but I was in the side.
There's 0 delay on the server.
I really kind of lied for no
Yeah,
reason.
what thing is this?
Bro's
What
Wi-Fi's
thing is
bad.
this?
I'm not ready to.
I need Starlink. Go!
Move.
What's
Wait,
it?
what?
Run on
Person?
Starlink, guys.
Why are you putting water balloons in it?
But why? Why put water balloons? You don't put water.
What's this to do just sitting on walls?
Cause I'm bored.
Ah, we're so
He's
close.
just sitting on a wall.
Makes zero sense.
Alright, we gotta call it.
Yeah.
Gotta call it. Volcano's broken.
Yeah, she said.
Volcano's
I'll
broken.
fix it.
Oh my god, no.
No, I will fix it.
Oh no. Oh no. It could be any one of yous. Okay, okay, it's not any one of yous.
Two in.
Shut up.
I'm a new player. I'm so bad at this stupid game.
Why can't I do this anymore?
Why can't I do this?
Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it!
I'm scared.
Wait, look.
What the hell?
Come on. Someone tag me, I don't care.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no. Since you said that, I'm
Go away,
not
Bart.
trying.
I'm gonna touch your butt.
Bark, bark. Woof, woof.
No way.
Bark, bark, woof, woof. I'm gonna touch your balls.
I'm better at routing than you. I'm better at rats than you, buddy. Can't keep up.
It's me, Mickey Mouse. Wanna touch me?
What the? Stick to the script.
Oh,
Come after me, lava monkeys. Stick to the script.
Yeah.
One day, my day.
Oh,
On an iceberg.
bro, what is going on here?
I wanna know.
Fix this?
Home. Home.
Thank you.
Sorry, I forgot I had other things.
Many games.
Let's go.